So students, today we discuss on the next topic of the chapter, evolution of animal and evolution of plants and evolution of man. The first is the evolution of animals. Evolution of animals. How animals are evaluates on the earth. Nearly about 2000 million years ago, the first life arises in the cellular forms in the sea. लगभग 2000 मिलियन ईयर्स एगो जो पहली लाइफ बनी सेल्यूलर फॉर्म में, वो कहां बनी? सी में. द लाइफ अराइजेस इन द सी. जीवन की उत्पत्ति सबसे पहले कहां हुई है? समुद्र में. समुद्र में पहले ही जो लाइफ बनी हो एक सेल के फॉर्म में आई. देन इट इवैल्यूएट्स इन द मल्टीसेल्यूलर organism like a protist, amoeba, paramecium, and then it evolves into poriferans, and then fishes forms. The fishes evolve into amphibians like frogs, and some are modified into reptiles. The coelacanth is known as the ancestors of frogs and salamander. Then the reptiles are evolved into and birds, and after this the mammals are evolved. The mammals are evolved. The first mammal is shrews-like animals. The dinosaurs evolved Triassic era, but their much evolution or their numbers of increase in the Jurassic periods. The Jurassic period is known as the golden periods of the dinosaurs. After this, the dinosaurs are extinct. The heavy dinosaurs are extinct due to their large shape and other reasons. So, this is the evolution of animals. Next, evolution of plants. The plants are evaluates in the first cellular forms. The life arises nearly 2000 million years ago in the cellular forms. The some cellular organism composed specific pigments by which they synthesize their own foods. Day by day, their pigmentation increases and then evolve into and then it evolved into microscopic algae and then bryophytes and then pteridophytes and then gymnosperms and then angiosperms. So one by one evolution occurs of the plants. The seed fern is known as the connecting links between gymnosperm and angiosperm. The fern is the species which are the member of pteridophytes. Members of pteridophytes. The pteridophytes generally found in marshy and sandy places. They are the first plants. They have own vascular bundles. So this is the evolution of plants. Next, evolution of man. Evolution of man. How the evolutions occurs in the humans. They are found on earth as like in present form or different forms. The mans are found the different form. Various mans are forms before the present times forms. The ancestors of human, the first human, Ramapithecus and Dryopithecus. Ramapithecus and Dryopithecus. Ramapithecus and Dryopithecus. Then the Australopithecus. The Australopithecus evolved Homo habilis. Then it evolved into Homo erectus, and then evolved into Homo sapiens, and the top to the present forms is the Homo sapiens. The Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus body is hairy, and their body is like as chimpanzee. They are mostly similar to the apes. The present times human cranial capacity increases day by day. The present times human brain की कैपेसिटी जो है 1650 cc. The cranial capacity of humans increase day by day. The next human evolved from the present humans known as Homo futuris, which are more intelligent to the present humans. So evolution is the process which continuously occurs and by which new species are formed.